Again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida, and this is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. This is a reservoir, one of many. I'm going to put some colors in. I wasn't going to use the Chantilly lace in the bottom, but I like to have a base layer to float other colors on. I'm not messing around with you today, Chantilly lace, or anything else. I've got a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I've pre-primed with black paint that's dry now. And I probably will have leftover colors, but I don't really mind because I like to use them to do other things. So, enough of the Chantilly lace. I've got some leftover Chantilly lace that had some Rhapsody rose in it. And I don't mind if I have quite a bit of that. I'll try and save what's left, I guess. And it occurs to me that there's something I really want. It's not that bashful blue. It's a Pebeo iridescent blue-green. And I am not sure if this is cell activator or the paint color. It looks like it might be the cell activator, but I'm not sure. I need to be, oh, it is. It's not the, okay, this is the one that's not the cell activator, so that's going to be cell activator. This is supposed to be, yeah, there we go. Little cell activator never hurt anything. Let's use my Aubergine, which is a primary element. I've got some orange peel, which is a primary element. It's got some gold sparkle added to it. I think I'm going to be using some of that along with my interferences. Oh, I need a lighter color. Where'd my lighter color go? There we go. I've got Icy Iris. This is a primary element. Perfect. And I'm going to move on to some ginger flower, another primary element. I think I'm using a lot of primary elements today. I like this part, but sometimes it takes a little longer than I'd like it to. This is Cerulean Blue. This is a Prizm pour. This is an awesome color. And I'm trying to curtail what I've got left to put in there, and I think I'm going to use a little bit of the Miami Magenta, which says it's a Prizm pour. And then I need something orange or yellow. And I've got honeysuckle. That wants to come out. Come on out. It doesn't want to come out. So take the top off. Oh, I found the clot. And that just makes me want my last color. I say that, but you can't trust me. My last color will be Tuscan Sun. But we'll see if that's true or not. Now that I think about it, I have some Rhapsody rose, and I don't think I really want to go without it. It's a little on the dark side. I definitely want something lighter. You know what? I so lied. I apologize. This is my Orange Crush. That's what I needed. Something really bright. Now, we better get a move on. We won't have any time to do anything. So let's grab this canvas. An OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. And let's just play. Let's put some Mother of Pearl some red interference. Some violet interference. I should have a green. I'm not sure I have one made up. I need to do that. Darn. That would have been really nice in here. And I think the blue interference. I'm kind of hoping that I can just smooth these into place. Oh, you know what? I didn't add any wild orchid. So I'm going to do that. Lots and lots of colors again. Can't seem to escape myself. Everywhere I go, there I am. And let's just play. I suspect that those are going to be awesome. I've heard from Leslie many a time, I believe, if I'm recalling correctly, that the interferences are best over black. So now we'll find out. And I have an Interference Gold, and I still have an inclination to use it. And there it is. Like I said, I suspect that that's going to be majorly beautiful. It's not bad now. It's really pretty cool. I want more red. I don't see any of the red, and it must be in there, but I don't see it. Interference, interference, violet, Midas. Maybe I didn't put it in. And it's gold. I know I have red. Huh. Okay, well, maybe the red didn't go in. Nope, I found it. Cool. It's very ghosty. I like it. The interferences, that is. Alright, so everything's a risk when you're experimenting for the first time, but I want all of that paint off of that spatula. And then I'm going to throw it in the bucket. And what I was going to do and what I am going to do might be two different things. I'm going to try give myself a shovel full of medium black paint. Tip it toward the front. Take my shovel. I'm really inclined to use the paint in my shovel, but I'm going to grab a new one just because. Cross your fingers. Completely new concept for me. Whole new way of looking at ribbons. Makes me want to put another one in there. Like in over here or something, or crossing over maybe. It's supposed to give a whole sculptural feel to it. I don't know if it's going to work. I've got a picture I drew after looking at somebody's sculpture. I'm kind of glad that Chantilly lace was in there. Now, do I put more black down? I think I do. I've got dots and I'm going to try and restrain myself and leave them. I thought for a minute I might spin, but I don't think so. I might do it a third time if I have enough time, which might become an issue fairly shortly. I'm just going to grab a Princeton Arts with Catalyst spatula. I thought I was. Waste not, want not. I'm not sure if this is a great idea, but it's not a bad idea yet. Or that has yet to be seen probably. Use that. It all comes from when I start to prime canvases. Now it occurs to me I've got this black paint on my spatula and I might want to do something with it. It's the same paint I painted the background with. I'm going to throw that shovel in the bucket. My stripes are spreading out like I anticipated they might. I'm going to try and be a little faster because I suspect I'm down to my last 2 minutes. Try and start with a slow stream. Seems like it's very hard by using the shovel to regulate the heaviness of the line of paint, but I don't think it's going to make any difference. I think it's still pretty cool. I might be able to do it better another time, having had a little practice. Definitely appreciating what the Chantilly lace did for things. Trying to create a sensation of dimension. Not sure I'm doing it well. black was meant to help spread the paint out in case I spun, or at least leave some black in between. That's pretty cool. I'm good. I'm going to shimmer that at you. And I'm sure that there's like 100 things I could do with this at this point, like basting brush it and so on and so forth. But I think it's pretty cool. And worst case scenario, I'm probably just going to add more paint. I'm not sure there's a better side up or not, but I really like what I've got, and it was a lot of fun to do. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm here at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, and I forgot my phone, so I can't shimmer anything at you. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab my phone. It's in my bag. Okay, I'm back. Phone in hand. I'm liking my colors. I bet that interference is going to be the bomb. This is kind of bugging me over here. Let's put another one over there. I could probably dribble some things around and be pretty happy about it. Oh, that interference is stellar. Look at that shine. That is glorious. That is so cool. Wow. I'm going to have to torch really quick. I see there's a bunch of bubbles in here. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments help my morale and my standing on YouTube. Let's see if we can do better than... Oh, yeah. Wow. That's cool. For a first try, definitely cool. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I hope you come again. I have 28 lists of 100 videos. And a whole bunch more lists of that are just organized by topic and genre. And if you need them, let me know, because I have them very easily accessible. And if you want to look for them yourself, go to my channel and go to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. Wow. I'll be doing that with the black and the interference again. That's gorgeous. What an awesome background. That is tremendous. Not to mention everything else. The colors are fantastic. This time I definitely didn't use too many colors. I am looking for that bubble right there. I prefer it was a bubble to a lump, but I do have tweezers, and you can find all the tools I use, or a lot of the tools I use, on my Amazon link underneath Show More, along with a 15% off Colourarte coupon code and the link that'll take you to the Colourarte website. I have on my Linktree, spring clothing is below the video. On the Linktree is Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. And my email address, should you want to reach me, is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. This was cool. Ribbon dribbles, serious ribbon dribbles. And I don't think I've forgotten anything. What have I forgotten? Oh, yeah, if you find something that you would be interested in having reproduced on fashion or a yoga mat or a coffee mug or any of the things that you can find easily accessible on my Society 6, The Gallerist, Pinterest, excuse me. What am I thinking? Pixels.com, Fine Art America. I get them all a little confused sometimes. I really am thinking that I want some dots in here, to tell you the truth. And after that, I'll be done. And I've got the colors. I definitely like the idea of floating a few orbs around here and there. Especially colorful orbs. Or in that case, blobs. Doesn't happen too often, but it happened then. All right, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I love you. I love you much. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.